Of all the international flights I've taken, I've seen a lot of designs of different vehicles and different aircrafts, but the Korean Air looks so like simple and perfect. Hey, looks like plane to Hong Kong. I don't think I've ever been to a gate early enough to see it get loaded out. Well, time to fly. There is a wonderful movie called The Triangle of Sadness, and when the director was asked what his next film would be about, he mentioned it would be about an international flight that has lost its entertainment system and everyone has to deal with themselves for 8 hours. It was on Hong Kong Airlines, which stopped their entertainment system about 3 years ago, and you know, it wasn't that bad. Much like in Orlando, I have to get on a train to get to the main station. Time for a cyberpunk montage. Hong Kong is a beautiful, beautiful city full of urban and organic matter. Oh my God, that's incredible. That is incredible. That's a hurricane. Captain, I'm in Hong Kong and it seems that there's a massive typhoon outside the window. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go outside right now. Whoa, the street got flooded. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Wow. Everyone's throwing out the stuff they can't save and trying to clean up the area. I think the sewer system is probably overflooded too because it smells like poo-poo here. Or it could just be the meat in the area. I'm not too sure. Liquid. It's literally leaking out of the sidewalk. Ooh, that's a lot of damage. Well, Hong Kong in a typhoon looks like Florida typhoon, except there's a lot more concrete. Oh, and hills and landslide possibilities and people like getting swept away by water, which is popular online right now. I'd say TikTok, but TikTok's not activated in Hong Kong anymore. Pieces of signs on the ground here as well. Thankfully, it's pretty much almost over. Life is returning. Not flooded out in the subway, so that's always a good thing. It's pretty surprising how many restaurants and places are still open or looking for business after one of the biggest typhoons came through here in a while. But luckily I was on Hong Kong Island, which fared better than other places. It must have been a day of loss for a lot of people on this strip that are just trying to take stock of what they have and don't have, because the water was literally up to your knees. It's pretty rough. Well, there are the cars, huh? Well, I got my foe to go, and I'm gonna try not to get hurt in a post-hurricane environment, and hopefully tomorrow is a better day. Oh, that pho looks good. Maybe not Hong Kongish, but still pretty good for, you know, a hole in the wall that served it to me.